This is the second part about the database and the queries I use. Oh, I forget to show this one. After all the data is inserted and I use the reverse engineering, it will show this, the tables, like the chart diagram. It shows how each table is connected, even the foreign keys, everything. Now, continue with the queries. And the second part was asked, for example, to insert a new data in the tables. I decide to make it simple, just insert the new data into tables. I use the command insert into, well, firstly, I use the database, card database, and I insert the data customer, and I add my name, and when I press here, select values, it will add a new one with my name and address. Also, I decide to insert uh, the a new service like renew insurance and with the price, and I decide to insert also in the car rental this new type of data for the car. The renew insurance was created at beginning was inserted, but later I decide to delete it with the save deletion of the records. But I think I can do it now. No, show me the new. Then the second part was asked to update the existing records. For example, the child seat, I decide to update in the service data table. They will set now the price, it will be 18 in the child seat. Also, the address was updated. I decided to use this because sometimes when a company offers their service, the charges change. So it's good to have a database available to change that. Also, the address. For example, a customer can change where they live, and it will be good to have the system to know where is going to live now the customer to avoid any mistake in the future. It was very simple. I decided just to update like three or two queries on each part, but it's functional. Now in the safe deletion part, I choose this table because I update this new one with the change of the name and everything, but I decide to delete it because I think it's a little bit useless. It's like redundant, that part. And this is just the first three parts of the second part of the CA. Later, I decide to create a new query here to make the rest. I use the same database and to order the information, I select, for example, the car renter. The date of the booking will be ordered descendant, like in this way. Using select here, it will show like this. 1, 2, 3, 4 from the minus from the list, like 1, then you're going 2, 3. It's good to have a clean and organized table, and especially in this case, we have a lot of information, and it's gonna be difficult to find, like for example, one customer. And if I only have the date, it's gonna be complicated just to be looking row by row. So this like a handy way to use it. Also for the price, I use the same way for the price. It will show the price from 40, 50 from the same way. From the highest price, always on the top, lower price will be on the bottom. Then the joins. This is like a relationship between the tables and it will be combined the data. I use the left join because, for example, in this one, It will show if the customer don't have bookings. The customer it will be the left table and the bookings wanna be the right table. So the data it will show me even if there is no booking on the right table, it was still showing me the customers on the left. And I decide to use that's why the left is used in this situation. But for example, I use the same table. If I have customer and I have booking, I can use inner join because it will show me both tables, left and right. That's gonna be very handy for this situation.